Now, the most important part and the most important clarity which all of you should have, okay, is the fact that your degree does not mean you will become a doctor. Okay, so you need to understand a very simple thing. You know, जब आप एक simple सी चीज करते हो कि let's say you need to buy a car, what will you do? Very simple question. You know, will you kind of, obviously you're going to, you know, kind of get a license and then drive, correct? That is exactly the thing which I am trying to stress, that it is highly important that you take your license examinations very seriously. What is happening that when you approach a admission agent, okay, he will propose you following options. First of all, he will tell you, array exams are easy, so you can do self study. Then there is a second category. They will say, oh no, you will send professors from India. You can check my Facebook page. I have sent professors to Jalalabad. Okay, another set of agents will create fancy videos and then tell you, you know, on our portal you can do free mein tayari. So whenever people mention free, it means very simple, they don't want to take any responsibility. Okay, free means zero responsibility. Okay, please understand the license exam जो currently conduct कर रहे हैं for all the students, their pass rate is only 20%. Okay, so unless you prepare for these exams from the first year of MBBS, and unless this happens parallel to your school, parallel to your medical school, it is going to be very difficult. So students at Moksha, they study everything live online while they are enrolled in a medical program in India, Russia, Ukraine, Caribbean islands, all over the world. Wherever they study parallel to their MBBS, they prepare for this license exam from the first year, because they are very clear they don't want to be part of these 80% of doctors, or if you talk about numbers, more than 25,000 doctors जो इंडिया में है, but they cannot practice, their degree is not at all valued. So if you want to be with this 20% who are actually in the front line fighting the COVID war and working in the top hospitals in India, then you require the license, and you need to clear this license by preparing from the first year. Okay, so this is very important. Please understand specifically the information. All right, so next time you get a call from any agent, tell them I have attended the Moksha webinar and I am aware of the process. So admission agent cannot fool you. So next time when they call you, tell them no problem, I will apply to a country where you say no problem. But can you guarantee me few things? I am asking you 6 questions. Can you answer me that? So tell them I require a tool which will be there with me for next 5 to 6 years. So are you going to offer me parallelly live classes for the 5 to 6 years? If they are saying professor will come from India, fooling you. If they are saying no, in my app old papers are there, cheating you. Never believe such people. Tell them I require unlimited doubt solving. Tell them I require a test platform where I can create my own test and practice until my exams. What about my study planner? What to do, when to do, how will I get that information? Validity. You know, the professor going from India is a 7-day valid course, a recorded video only annually, but live lectures are unlimited till you clear exam. What about the review? Are you getting any support for revision? Because 5 years, for example, first year में anatomy आया, you have to revise that in second year, in third year, in fourth year, and more importantly, the weakness identifier. So these are very important tools on the basis of which students preparing with Moksha are succeeding. Currently, we have 650 such students. So I will actually invite you for this opportunity, okay, to experience what our students are currently studying. Okay, so let me quickly take you to my portal and give you our entire information. Okay, let me quickly give you how the MOOC students are preparing. All right. So this is the website coaching.mooc16.com. So you can actually click on this, have your own access to this portal. Once you are in the portal, you have the opportunity to actually start attending the live classes. For example, all my students have their own study schedule. Currently, everybody is attending the live classroom starting from 8:30. USMLE Behavioral Science taught by Dr. Deepak Sharma, faculty who has actually taught in China, in North America. He is a MBBS and an MPH graduate from the prestigious Johns Hopkins University. So a top-notch faculty and top-notch tutors teach you in this, programs. So this is the opportunity which you have to learn at Moksha. Live classes by the best faculties across the globe. So I shall invite you to attend these sessions and have a complete exposure to the entire program. All right. Now, students decide to kind of revise content, so they can actually click on something called as medical terminology or different subjects. Okay, so there you have a complete subject review. You can actually review each and every subject in much of a detail. You have opportunity to watch videos, ask doubts to the professors, download notes. So here is a software which is not only teaching you live, but also giving you access to the entire content to be viewed as per your convenience. All right. For example, I decide to watch, let's say, digestive system. So I just click on digestive system and I have short videos talking in detail about the digestive system. Okay, so I can actually watch the video. Once I watch the video, I can actually download notes, I can report mistakes, I can actually ask doubts. So this is how each and every student study on the Moksha platform, with a systematic preparation and a complete support until they get admission. Okay, students prepare with us for the next 5-6 years. So I will be happy if you are having any questions. Okay, any questions which you guys have, feel free to ask, feel free to connect, because it is very important for you to understand the importance of these exams. At our platform, we have access to a Q bank, which is the next level of support provided to each and every student. Here you can access to the questions which are exam style, with subjects, with organ system, just how medical students across the world study. You have access to the complete test analytics. You can actually have complete idea about your predicted score, your strength, your weaknesses in each and every subject. So I will recommend you to experience this Moksha platform. Okay, so those who are part of the Moksha MBB program, once their NEET exam results are out, they can get access to this software and you can start your learning on this amazing platform which the MBBS students are currently using parallel to their medical school. Please understand why do we do this. Okay, please understand this clearly, because it is very important you have a complete picture of each and everything. Okay, logic is very simple. Okay, MBBS itself is divided in such a way that your anat biochem physiology which comes in the first year creates your foundation. Unless your foundation is strong, rest of the exams will not work out. Traditionally, what we have found, okay, people who start preparation from the first year, the pass rate of them in the FMG examination is around 95%. People who start thinking about the these examinations in the third and the fourth year, their pass rate has been 70%. People who think about these examinations in the fifth and the sixth year, their pass rate has been 20%. तो जितना delay करोगे to think about these examinations, इतना बड़ा loss है. I hope you are able to understand this. Why? Because these are very, very important examinations. And with the new regulations of MCI, whether you study in the first year, whether you study in India, whether you study abroad, whether you study in government, whether you study in private, everybody have to appear this common license examination called as the next examination. All right. Also, those who plan for the US process, they actually have to appear exam intermediate. So USMLE step 1 exam comes in 3rd and 4th year, and after graduation CKCS comes, and the next exam comes in the 3rd year. So what I'm trying to tell you is there has to be a systematic preparation of all the steps. Okay, you start from your year 1 and it goes right up to your year 6. So it is very, very important that you guys are able to understand this. Okay, so I will request you to kindly prepare this very, very systematically and from the first year. Okay, it is very important that you start your journey right from the first year. Okay, so you need to be very clear what is your budget. If your budget is 40 to 50 lakhs, you prepare for the USMLE and enjoy opportunity to join a free PG in America. If your budget is 20 to 25 lakhs, then you are actually going to consider MBBS abroad plus the next examination, so that at least you can have a license to work in India. And if you're, but you know, if you for some reason it USMLE nahi ho raha, PG nahi ho raha, if you fail, we also have opportunity for you to have a career in Germany. So point what I'm trying to tell you is the MOOCs team is there with you for the next 6 years. Our job starts after admission. It's not just admission. Please understand this. We are here to make your career up to PG. To understand this very, very clearly, what will happen once your exam gets over, you get into a desperation mode, because the reality is 16 lakh people are appearing for these 50-60,000 seats. So out of every 21 student, only one is going to get MBBS seat in India. So what about others? They will try for government colleges in abroad, or udhar bhi nahi hota hai. So what's your plan B? You can take a drop year, again try for government colleges in India or abroad next year, and have a career in PG in USA. Or जैसे मोहिनी मैम ने बताया, you join a BSc course and do a legitimate BSc course, NMAT करके MBBS Philippines करके यहाँ पर settle. These are the correct plan B which you should have in mind. But as Mohini ma'am told you, when you are in desperate situation, all the scamsters will be in touch with you. So the scamster number 1, जैसे मोहिनी मैम ने बताया, आपको कॉल्स आएंगे, पूना में ज्वाइन करो, चेन्नई में ज्वाइन करो illegal courses के लिए. So if you see any YouTube video which is a very fancy video showing you campus in Pune, showing you very fancy thing, understand how scamster that agent is. If they can promote these kind of scam programs in Pune and cheat you, they are not thinking about career. So any YouTube video which you come across where they are talking about this 1-year program in Pune, very fancy videos, you understand these are scamsters. Second, scamsters especially are from South India. They tell you 30-35 lakhs में आपको करेबियन में करवा के गारंटी यूएस पहुंचा देंगे. तो कौन से आइलैंड में करवाएंगे? गयाना, बारबाडोस, अरूबा. So moment you hear these names again, you should have in mind, yes, I attended the MOOC session, I know these people are going to scam me. So do not fall in scam. Any university in Caribbean offering you a course which is less than 1 crore tuition fees, believe me, they are cheating you, because unless the fees is this much, they cannot afford delivering the right amount of exposure which is important. So stay away from scamsters who is committing you 30-35 lakhs में US, or they are committing you a Philippine program 1 year in Pune, 1 year in Chennai. Okay, be very, very careful. Unfortunately, people fool you. So my suggestion and advice to you is very, very simple. Admission is just the first step. So in future, if you get in touch with anyone, tell them, no problem, we will apply through you. But are you also going to support me for college exam? How are you going to support me for the license exam, without which I will not get degree? And what about my PG? Unless you are getting support for 1, 2, 3, and 4, do not commit to any scamster or any agent. Understand something, you require a career planner, and MBBS is a long journey. So check who is going to be there with you for the next 6 to 8 years. Okay, please understand, very simple, those who are scamsters, those who want to recommend you wrong countries, they would want to hide. Moment you take admission, at the first step they will run away, hide. A lot of times you won't believe, the same person every year changes the name of the company also. Or sometimes the students become agents, like in Kyrgyzstan, like in Russia. Unfortunately, these students themselves never cleared the next exam, themselves got cheated in Russian programs, so they create YouTube channel and they become agents. So be very, very careful in terms of the decision making, because MBBS is a very, very serious career. So just to ensure, we are there to support you. You can call up on the hotline number. You can reach out to our coaching YouTube channel, and we'll be happy to help you throughout. Okay. All right. Great. So I wish you all the very best. And yes, there is a news that tomorrow, sorry, not tomorrow, on Monday, there might be announcement of a new NEET examination. Please, my request to everyone, unless the information comes on the NEET NTA website, do not fall prey to any rumors. Any official information, government has to give it to you. They will do it on the NEET NTA website. Last week there were a lot of circulars which were shared. These were fake circulars. So do not believe in rumors, do not panic. Wait for the official government announcement, if at all they are going to postpone, and believe what the official government website says. Okay. I wish you all the very best. These are challenging times, so stay safe, stay at your home, and we will be happy to help you. Thank you very much, everyone. If there are no questions, I will end the session, but I wish you all the very best for your careers. Thank you.